Are you looking to optimize your performance-based ads with AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how AdCreative AI can take your ad campaigns to the next level. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this tool is going to streamline your ad creative process and maximize your ROI. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how you can use AdCreative AI for free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below. Now, if you've been running performance-based ads, you know how important it is to have compelling creative. But with limited time, resources, or design skills, producing high-quality ads that convert can be a challenge. That's where AdCreative AI comes in. This AI-powered software creates high-converting ad creatives in minutes, allowing you to focus on scaling your campaigns instead of worrying about the design. Here's how it works. You start by inputting your campaign objectives and target audience into the system. AdCreative AI then analyzes your business, your previous campaigns, and current trends to generate a variety of ad creatives designed to perform. It's like having a full creative team working for you, but at a fraction of the cost. AdCreative AI's strength lies in its use of AI to predict which ad creatives will perform the best. It doesn't just make random designs, it looks at data from millions of ads across multiple industries to determine the most effective design elements, such as colors, fonts, images, and layouts. With this data-driven approach, you don't have to guess what will work. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. What's more, you can generate multiple versions of your ads in seconds. This is essential when you're running performance-based ads where every click counts. AdCreative AI automatically tests different variations, optimizing your creatives for maximum conversion. So, whether you're running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, or other platforms, you'll always have the best performing ads ready to go. But it doesn't stop there. AdCreative AI gives you access to performance analytics that helps you understand what's working and what's not. This means you can make data-driven decisions on how to improve your ad creatives over time. You'll no longer be guessing about what your audience wants. You'll have real data to back up your choices. If you're new to using AdCreative AI, it's really easy to get started. You don't need to be a designer, and you don't need to spend hours learning how to use complex tools. The platform is designed with ease of use in mind, so anyone can dive in and start creating high-quality ads in just a few clicks. Plus, it's cloud-based, so there's no need to download or install anything. You might be thinking, does this really work? Yes. Users are seeing increased click-through rates, improved conversion rates, and a reduction in overall ad spend. By optimizing your performance-based ads with AdCreative AI, you can get better results, faster, and with less effort. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try AdCreative AI completely for free. Just click the link below to access an exclusive extended trial, so you can test out all the features without any risk. Whether you're looking to optimize your existing campaigns or start fresh, this tool is designed to help you succeed. So if you're serious about taking your performance-based ads to the next level, don't wait. Click the link, start using AdCreative AI today, and see how easy it can be to create ads that perform better and bring you more conversions.